Is your safety alert propane alarm constantly going off? Don't ignore it, but don't panic. The first step is to verify there's no actual propane leak using a separate gas detector or professional inspection. If no leak is detected, the alarm is likely a false positive. Common causes include low 12-volt power from a weak RV battery, a dirty sensor, or end of life. Check the LED indicator. A steady green light means normal operation, yellow blinking indicates a low 9-volt backup battery, and a red blinking light signals a sensor fault or gas detection. To fix false alarms, try cleaning the sensor with canned air and reset the alarm by disconnecting power for 30 seconds. Ensure your RV's 12-volt power supply is stable, between 10 to 15 volts. Specific blinking red light patterns often indicate fault codes. For example, 2 red blinks usually mean the sensor has reached its end of life and needs replacement. Safety alert alarms should be replaced every 5 to 7 years. Replacements cost between $50 to $100 and are easily installed via the RV wiring harness. Consider upgrading to newer models with digital displays for easier fault code reading or Bluetooth-enabled versions for app-based monitoring. To prevent future issues, test your alarm monthly with propane-safe sprays. Remember, proper maintenance, stable power, and timely replacement are key to ensuring your safety alert alarm keeps you safe without unnecessary disruptions. Ignoring persistent alarms can lead to dangerous situations.